Madhav Radha is a 37-year-old software engineer who works in India. He is in Singapore for a 4-day vacation with his family. One day before their flight back to India, Madhav wants to find activities to do at the transit area, but he is unsure of what activities to do, where the shops are, and if it's near the departure gate. Madhav sees an advertisement of TravelPal online, which serves as a platform for assisting travelers to maximize their time at the airport, as well as maneuvering around the airport. Madhav downloads the application and starts looking at the shops available at the airport. He ran through the long list of shops and found a shop of interest. He then adds this shop to his schedule. As a new user, he will have to create an account by filling out his name, email address, and password. He is now a TravelPal user. He will then be prompted to enter his flight details. He selects the date of his flight and enters his flight number. After which, he sees a schedule with the shop which he had added just now. He then adds on more activities to his schedule. Once he is done, he logs out. Upon reaching the airport to prepare for his flight back to India, Madhav whipped out his phone and launched TravelPal. He first looks at his planned schedule and checks for the queuing status at the check-in counter. TravelPal indicates that there is no queue at the counter, so Madhav and his family proceeds to the counter to check in their luggages. After checking in, Madhav was thinking if they should have their meal before entering a transit area. Afraid that long queues might occur at the immigration gate, Madhav uses TravelPal to check for the queuing status at the immigration gate before deciding whether they should enter the transit area. Madhav proceeds to head for the transit area as TravelPal indicated that there is no concession at the security screening. So once Madhav entered the transit area, he opens TravelPal and starts to find the shops and restaurants that he had earlier planned to visit. He sees the LV shop nearby upon entering the immigration clearance. After shopping at LV, he follows TravelPal's instructions, which guides him to his second shop. Madhav and his family completed their shopping and is now resting in Burger King while waiting for their departure gate to be opened. Madhav received an alert from TravelPal that his departure gate has changed and he has to go to the gate. He then makes his way to the departure gate so that he will not be late. After going through the departure gate as a family, they safely board the flight and await their arrival back home in India. Michi logs into TravelPal. He enters his flight details by selecting the date of his flight and entering his flight number. He also looks through the shops which he wants to buy gifts from. A schedule will be populated according to Michi's choice of shops so that he can optimize his time at the airport. Upon reaching the airport, Michi uses TravelPal to check for the queue status at the check-in counter. And it shows that there is no concession, so he proceeds with check-in. Upon clearing the immigration, he opens TravelPal and starts to find the shops which he came across on the app the day before. Having all the shops added into TravelPal, the app showed a guide to the electronic shops, which he wanted to go to nearer to the east of the transit area. He follows the guide shown on the app rather than approaching the information counter to ask for directions. After reaching the electronic shop, he received a notification via the app saying that there is a change in boarding gate. The boarding gate is now nearer to his current location, so he looks at the shopping guide shown in TravelPal, and he decided to change the next location from Rolex to Mont Blanc. After buying all the souvenirs, he decided to find a cafe near to his boarding gate to read his emails. He takes out TravelPal to find the nearest cafe, adds it to his schedule, and follows the navigation function that guides him to the cafe. He usually likes to make his way to the boarding gate 30 minutes before takeoff, as he finds the area crowded and noisy. Now with TravelPal chatbot, he can conveniently check on the queue and crowd status of the boarding gate from the app. On top of that, each traveller is assigned a suggested timing to go to the boarding gate. This will help to minimize congestion, as this notification will be sent to different travellers based on a certain algorithm. After going through the departure gate, he safely boarded the flight and awaits for his arrival back home.